Hello and welcome to CryPotato, where we teach you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. I'll be your host for today's tutorial. Today, we're going to cover the basics of cryptocurrency, what it is, how it works, and why it's becoming an increasingly popular form of investment. Cryptocurrency, also known as digital or virtual currency, is a type of money that is created and managed using advanced technology, such as blockchain. This technology allows for secure, decentralized transactions without the need for a middleman, such as a bank. One of the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. It was created in 2009, and its value has been volatile but has grown significantly over the years. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, have also gained popularity and acceptance. One of the benefits of cryptocurrency is that it allows for fast, secure, and relatively low-cost transactions. It also offers a degree of anonymity, as transactions are not linked to personal information. Another advantage of cryptocurrency is that it operates independently of governments and central banks, providing a level of decentralization and autonomy. However, it is important to note that cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and volatile market, so it is important to do your own research and invest with caution. That's a brief overview of what cryptocurrency is and how it works. In future videos, we'll go more in-depth on specific topics, such as how to buy and store cryptocurrency, and the different types of cryptocurrency wallets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency tutorials and news.